When you take care of the little things, the big things start to take care of themselves. To us, it's not only about what we put in the land, but what we keep out. At Tractor, we developed the Organic Impact Tracker to measure what really matters. By committing to the goodness of organic ingredients, we're saving water. We're supporting organic farmland. We're improving soil health. We're avoiding carbon emissions. And we're keeping synthetic pesticides out of our food system and out of your glass. Because our roots are on the farm, we're concerned about synthetic pesticides in our land and our food system. So, we're doing something about it. We developed the Organic Impact Tracker to show how small decisions add up to a world of change. Together with our partners, we're building a better future, sip by sip. So let's choose better, together. Let's measure progress with every pour. And let's show that creating a cleaner, healthier planet can be as simple as it is delicious. We're Tractor. Grab a drink and let's make a difference together.